In today's video, I'll teach you how to create AI generated music in Gemini. So first of all, open the Gemini application on your device. You can see over here Gemini has been opened. Make sure to start a new chat. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is tap on this option, create music, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to pick a track to remix. You'll be able to find various options over here. You can simply tap on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is describe your track. Simply enter the descriptive text prompts over here. You can also include the genres or upload the images or videos in order to guide the AI. So simply enter your prompt over here. You can be as descriptive as possible. Now after you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now simply wait for a while. Gemini will generate a 30-second AI generated music track for you. Now after a while, you'll be able to see the audio track. You can simply tap on it in order to play it. Well, looky here. So you can simply tap on the download icon in order to download it. You'll be able to download track only or with the album art. So simply tap on the option of your choice and it will be downloaded. So like this, you'll be able to create it. So that is how you create AI generated music in Gemini. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.